Hello everyone. Today I'll be making a quick video on the difference between command prompt, PowerShell, and PowerShell ISE. So command prompt and PowerShell are terminals or command prompts where you can enter commands to make changes or configure IT nodes. Here on the left I have open command prompt and on the right PowerShell. You can see there's very minimal visual difference between the two, but command prompt is going to be your legacy version of PowerShell, where PowerShell is going to be used for advanced system administration. Now the real question people have is, what is PowerShell ISE? And what is the difference between ISE and normal PowerShell? So the ISE actually stands for Integrated Scripting Environment, and now that I have it open you can see the clear visual difference between the two. So if you didn't get it from earlier, but ISE is for creating scripts or running ones that are already created. So here I am creating my own script. I'm going to run test, test, test. And so let's say I scripted here and created my own and I want to save it. You can click this little save icon and save it to your file system to run for later. So let's say I saved it to a location, but since I already have one, I'm going to open it. So all you have to do is click this little folder icon, navigate to wherever it is. So here I have my test script, which is a .ps1 file. And then here I pull it up and I click this little green play button and then it runs my script. But obviously since it's just test, it's not going to run anything. But that's the gist of PowerShell, command prompt, and PowerShell ISE.